Okay.
Don't touch it.
I didn't. I was moving the seatbelt off of it.
Okay, thank you.
So, like...
Oh, no. Let me... You're dropping shit right behind.
Oh.
I'm trying to melt out the hole.
Okay.
The bolt goes in there. Just wait.
Gotcha.
That looks pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Well, working. Okay, slip a gun on it. Give her a fire. Go in and stop. You know what I mean? More. Okay, is everything look straight there like I showed you?
Well, the thing is sideways.
Well, yeah, you're gonna have to hold it straight. So that needs to hold.
Well, just because the thing is twisted, like the black thing.
Yeah, so can you turn it now?
Like it looks straight, but there's a part of it that's straight up and down. Like the thing is flat and bolted on there, and then it twists, and then the thing that goes between your legs stands straight up and down. Is that not supposed to be flat? Just a second. I'll